Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Areeba drawing tutorials. Today I have drawn a basic scenery for beginners. I have used a 2 HB pencil and a scale to draw these mountains in correct proportion in triangle. Here I have drawn a sun in between. I have drawn a house using a triangular scale. You can use a simple scale also, but draw it in correct proportion. So I have drawn some flowers and grass beneath the river, and here are the mountains directing towards the river. So in the house I have drawn the windows and the door. How did you like this drawing? Please do try it at home and tell me how was it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and visit my other videos. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.